Happy New Year, my friend. So back to another year. Everyone always leave my door open. Oh, so cold. Happy New Year, everyone. Glad to be back. 2021. This is my first video up and running. Let me set this up. Hey guys. So this is my first video. Happy New Year. Freezing cold. Today is what? 15 January. 15th of January, and yeah, the weather outside is slightly bit nippy. We're still back in work, up and running. No changes for us. You don't know, frontline workers, so you know what I mean? So when you clap for the NHS, make sure you clap for us as well, yeah? Because I see no one's clapping for the squaddies, isn't it? For the soldiers. But yeah, want a big round of applause for us. Well yeah guys, Friday today, I didn't get to do much throughout the week. I was mad busy, get straight back into the swing of things. This vlog basically is just going to be another day in life of what I'm doing and thing, you know what I mean? But yeah, I've heard that I've won telly. I think it's a 55-inch telly, so I've never won nothing in my life, so this is something new. So I'm super buzzing about that one, so I can't wait to see what brand is it first of all. That's the most important thing. I gave him a ring earlier and they said to come around about 11:30. So I'm gonna pop up shortly. My Christmas was good. New Year's banging, you know what I mean? Just chill with families and all that, you know, nothing much you can do anyway. Yeah man, just super buzzing to be back in work. Anyway, come on, let's go. So I said, no changes, still the same. Nice and quiet. Now I know the gym look a bit messy because we're just setting up for something for next week. Can't really speak on that. And yeah, same as normal. Not much changes there. Equipment, kit in neatly order. Stuff like this pee me off. This right here. That pissed me off, man. The thing just put. Doesn't take much in it. So for all you permanent staff watching this, make sure you play the game, yeah? So hey guys, I know the last time people were saying, oh, where's your mask and all that. Got my mask, mate, I always have my mask. And in here is the fabulous gym. Paradise. Well, at least we still have this up and running. Same sketch as normal. You know what I mean, when you use the equipment, you wipe them down and all that. But yeah, gym look a bit messy, honestly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the duty PTI to come and tidy it up because that's his task. So I'm gonna leave this right here. Yeah, apart from that guys, everything's still the same, no changes around here. What I'm gonna do a couple of eaves. I'm slacking, you know, man, I'm getting weak. Please don't judge me, yeah? I'm just gonna do 5. Oh, good mate. Back up and running. Still got it, man. Never left. We got this awesome kid down here. Have a look at him. Damn. Ish. Every morning, without fail, normally just wipe all my stuff down. Inside here, mate, it's like super warm. Just want to send a massive thank you to the QM department to give me this baby right here. Yeah, they turn it back on, so you don't know. Inside here is like Jamaica, my friend. So I'm just gonna wipe my kit down, wipe everything down. Cause I'm not catching no COVID around here. Lifesaver. Anyway, let's start the day. So I just need to pop over to the repo, so that's where we get all our posters and everything done. So they make like all that, like booklet and all that. So I'm gonna pop over there. That's where Damien work, my main man. Yeah, so really busy today. Straight after the meeting, I went into another meeting. So now my mate just finished his meeting, so he's absolutely snowed under. So I'm just gonna grab something for him to eat and then come back, go and see Damien and pick my stuff up and then go over, get my telly. Let's do it. So I'm just gonna pop and see Damien now and grab my stuff with him. That's the main man right there.
Hello.
The man with the master plan.
A new toy. I suppose you'll want a performance now.
Oh man, I would love a performance from you, Damien. What have you got in store for me? What do you have in store?
Well, first of all.
Oh, you're getting it. Oh.
Oops. Full start. I've got myself a crying, talking, eating, walking, living doll. I've got to do my best to please her, just 'cause she's a living doll. I've got a roving eye and that is why she satisfies my soul. I've got the one and only talking, living doll.
Hello.
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
No.
I can see it in your smile. What are you doing? You alright?
I'm good, too.
I'm here to collect my goods.
Oh.
Look at this. So, what kind of brand is it? Is this a brand?
Yeah.
What kind of cheap telly is this?
It's a 4K TV.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, man. That's a cheap brand, though.
You've got all of these, like,
Oh,
things
YouTube.
on
Oh,
there.
YouTube is on there.
Hang on, let's zoom into that one, shall we?
You got Netflix and chill,
Prime Video,
Prime Video,
Bluetooth.
and the automatic. Oh, touch access as well. Not bad, innit? Not bad, but the brand I'm not happy with though. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it back and then you sort it out.
So you could sell it. It's your TV now. You can totally sell that.
I can't sell this, mate. You know, it's an embarrassment.
Why?
You know, just imagine if Fabziy is selling this brand.
You deserve it. It's your thing.
Happy days, mate. Let's go.
Definitely.
Are you vlogging me, yeah?
I am, yeah.
Oh, my new recruiter.
I could totally do this.
Yeah, you should actually.
I'm now a YouTuber.
Massive one as well.
So he's just going to put it in his car, look. That was just terrible, that was.
All over YouTube and then you... Hey, Fabziy, don't do that.
You want to be a YouTuber, Colin?
Oh, that's the
you're
one.
famous anyway.
No, that's the one I'm gonna buy.
You're famous.
The same
Colin.
camera you got there.
Hey, Colin, where's the mask, mate?
I've got it here. Hey, I've got it on the chin. No, Fabziy, don't, because you put it all over YouTube. I hate it when these guys go, oh yeah.
Hey, I'll
See you, Fabziy.
I'll come down in a bit,
Yeah,
mate.
come down, man. Come down. Yeah, we're down.
Hey, Colin. Hey, Colin. Colin. Hey, you're blagging, mate.
Huh?
You're blagging.
Fabziy, what's with all the... too close to each other all the time.
Yeah, man. So you got the main man, Colin, or the sprinter. Always life, mate. Happy New Year, mate.
Happy New Year to you. That's the same camera I'm thinking of buying. I saw it on the YouTube the other day.
Oh, you're gonna start a YouTube channel? Mate, you're famous, mate. Everyone here know you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Hey, I saw that. You know that girl you brought down in the summer?
Yeah.
I saw her last week in the what you call it, kitchen, cookhouse.
Yeah, she's here now, isn't it?
She's in week 7.
Yeah, I know. She's doing good.
What you having, coffee?
Coffee, mate. Usual sketch.
Do you have sugar?
One sugar, mate, please.
Let me wash my hands first.
You got the famous. Famous. You need to introduce yourself. You need to introduce yourself.
Hi.
Yeah.
Sando.
I think it's my leg. It's keep falling out.
Oh my god.
It's coming. Ah, nightmare. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What's going on? I thought you was actually busy.
Huh?
I thought you was actually
I'm
busy.
always busy.
Do something. Mate, you don't look like busy to me. What's going on?
Don't record me.
Happy New Year, mate. Mate,
Happy.
looking what's mate? If that's a word, looking glam. And makeup and everything, chain and watch, ring blinging.
God.
Look at you.
Oh, I've missed you so much.
It's dope, I like it. How much pay for it?
I don't know, I got it as a gift ages ago.
Got it as a gift.
Yeah.
You like it?
I love it.
I love when you have your mask on and say that. I came back deep down and I was like, oh, Lord.
No, I actually do. People keep telling me to change it, and I will never change.
Who said I have to change it?
Everyone always says how much they hate it.
I don't, I like it, man. I think it's quite dope. You know, I mean, I would wear it.
Sometimes if I walk to work with Adam, it looks like he's taking his child to
Is it?
school.
You just need a little furry socks and the big eye to top it off.
Some leg warmers.
Anyway, see you later.
Bye.
Peace. Alright guys, so that's it for the end of the day. Today was quite busy. We have a few meetings on and then basically just brief the guys up prior for what I should be doing for next week. Apart from that, went over to Damien, I'll buy the repo, go and grab some printout what I got for me, and then pop over to the Sergeant Mess and to grab my massive telly. You know, the only thing is I don't like the brand. I got something similar, same size as well. So my plan is to basically put this up for raffle, guys. So if I get 5,000 likes for this video, listen to me, if I get 5,000 likes for this video, then definitely I will go in the comment section and basically just do a random raffle and anyone will pop up. Yeah, lucky person will get this telly. Yeah, so basically 5,000 like, yeah, you gotta share this video. Also, when you share the video, you need to come on my Instagram, yeah, tag my Instagram to let me know that you shared the video. So 3 things you need to do, yeah, so the link is all gonna be in the description, make it much more clearer. So that's the plan. Overall though guys, really good day today. The sun is shining, but trust me, it's freezing outside. And yeah, it's just buzzing. Next week, can't wait for next week, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things I couldn't show as well, so I just trying to keep it, you know, restricted as such. But yeah, since I haven't done a vlog for a while, so I just have to come back on here and just let you guys know, yo, I'm up and running. I haven't gone anywhere, you know what I mean? As I said, just started work this week, so I don't know guys, if you like this video, may not have to tell you already. If you like it, you thumbs up it. As I said, we need 5,000 likes for this video, yeah? Prior for the raffle to take place. If not, then telly's just gonna sit on my desk there until, you know what I mean, I get 5,000 likes. Apart from that guys, like it and don't know, subscribe, bag of things. Don't know your boy Fabziy. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
Need to get it higher.
Mate, you shit. Get up my office. Alright, it's coming. Oh, go on, lad, go on. Alright, close it up.